What's up guys, it's another leather cover for my passport which I've been received 3 days ago, which I have been ordered for a week, and it's a little bit faster than the passport. This is a box of that cover. It's a nice standard cover by passport. Really seen nothing over here. It comes in a nice cover. It's not a good quality cover for a 350 or 400 rupees item. It should be more better. It's a government India. This is cover for the passport, and inside it is just a cardboard. Just keeping it away. And this is a passport cover. Here we can keep the passport, and there is four slots for keeping the credit cards. And this is the one, and then this is the back side. Nothing special about it. Small damage over here. Just parts for Republic of India. On top it is passport. It is similar to this cover over here, and in it there's just thanking us for thanking me or the person who are buying this, and just about that product, Tata International. So this is item. This item, this is a black version. You will get brown, and I think one more color is there. So this is the cover which you are going to receive, the black cover which you are going to receive.